Welcome everyone to the monthly update where I tell you what's new on the Glowing Stripes project and what progress I made. And yeah, let's directly get into it. So as you might recall, I was having some trouble with flickering LEDs, all kinds of connection issues, like allowing the LED strips to connect with each other via Wi-Fi so that you can actually control them via the front end, via your web browser. But that's gone. That's done. I finally got it done to solve the glitching LEDs issue, and also the LEDs can now connect with each other with the host device, and yeah, basically you can just control the LED strips via Wi-Fi. So the solution in the end might not be the most elegant way of doing it, but it's in the end the easiest fix for the problem. So basically the problem that I had was every time the Wi-Fi was used, suddenly the LED animation started flickering. So there's some interruption for the NeoPixel LEDs whenever Wi-Fi is used. So in the end, I just used a separate ESP for everything related to Wi-Fi, which means the web server is completely running on its own ESP now. And that solved it in the end. And the LED strips are now communicating with each other via serial connection, so in other words, with using a wire in between them. And yeah, that works. So let me show you how it works now. In this video you can see how you just plug in the LED strips into some power connection, and then they just glow. And a few seconds later, the Wi-Fi also started, the web server started, and you can just control the LED strips using your web browser. Just go to the glowingstripes.local website on your network where the LEDs are connected to, and there you go. So even while it would have been nice if I would have gotten more stuff done during the last month, at least I solved the main issue that was really that I was struggling with quite a bit, and where I wasn't 100% sure if I would be able to solve it. So I'm glad that it works now, pretty much flawlessly, kind of. So yeah, what's next then, is the question, right? So now with the main issues gone, I can focus on the front end. So yeah, allowing you to completely control the LED strips via the website, which, as you might remember, I already partially did, like the whole front end JavaScript code, etc. I just need to update it partially. And some of the parts I also will rewrite since I learned a few things on the way now. And some of the code I just wouldn't write the same way again, and now how to make it a little bit more optimized. And yeah, the other thing that I will work on is actually 3D printing the new case. Yes, it is gonna happen the coming month. And then I will also see if I need to update the case in any way or not. And yeah, so I'm really looking forward to everything finally coming together. And yeah, there might be still some features that I will add later on after I finish the first working core version, basically. So things like making the LED strip to react to music is a cool feature, but more like something that I will integrate after I finished everything that should be in the core version, basically. So yeah, that was pretty much it for the last month, and now I'm just really looking forward to finishing the front end, making it completely usable again, and then also building a well-working case that you can both put on the ground with the LED strips, but also onto your wall if you want to. Just making it flexible, how you can use the Glowing Stripes project indoor and outdoor. So yeah, that's gonna be exciting, and see you then next month. Bye.